Hi everyone, in today's video I would like to show you that how you can abort the mission or exit from mission in the First Descendant game. So this is very simple and easy. First you have to press the escape key, click on the abort mission option you are seeing here. Then you simply need to click on the yes option or the confirm option. Once you click on the confirm, your mission is aborted. So if for some reason if the abort mission option is grayed out, then click on the world map option you are seeing on the top of this, and here you will see the Albion map. So you have to just simply click on the map of Albion, and you will see you have to just long press to the fast travel. You have to press the left key, left side of your mouse, and press the long, then your mission is also aborted and you will go to the main menu of the game. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it because this is the only motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video.